Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to the Real Humans of B School series. Today I have with me here Junaid, who is from Watson Business School. So welcome on board, Junaid.
Hello. Hi, ma'am.
It's lovely to have you, and the best part about him is, guys, he was a fresher from BBA stream, right? So why don't you, Junaid, tell me about your whole journey of getting into the B School? What made you think you really want to do an MBA right now, and what made you take up Watson?
All right. So to start with, I have always been interested in doing a master's course, to be honest. But then what actually attracted towards Watson is the course that it actually offered me in the right time, probably because MBA graduates are the highest number of graduates after engineers in India, as we all are aware of. So what I wanted to do is just be, at least on the curve so that I have an advantage compared to all the other millions of MBA graduates that are graduating from this college or from India. So what Watson offered me is a PGDM course, which was, had inclusion of techno and management. So this was one of the kind of course that was not available in entire India with entire elite B schools as well. So that was one of the reason that I actually opted for Watson, to be honest, where I got an chance and an opportunity to understand technology and also management together.
That's lovely. So, what do you think? Like, is the future of this whole techno managerial role? It's a very big buzzword these days that everybody wants
Mhm.
to be a techno manager. So, what do you think, in your opinion, is the future of this?
Okay, so yes, so the role techno management, when I actually got in, sounded very exciting and challenging, to be honest. But after 2 years of going, being a part of it, and then understanding how it works is, to be honest, India is not yet ready for a techno management role because in any organization we do not have a specific role that defines what we have studied. The only closest thing that we can come up to is a product manager or an associate product manager or business analyst. So these are the courses that comes up very close to a techno management role. And uh, and for this, people should have the right kind of technology knowledge, and as well as the the management knowledge. So I think it might take few years down the lane, but I'm happy to be in the the experimental level or the starting level to take up this course, because I think this has a lot of scope in the future.
Lovely. So, what are the kind of unique things that you studied as a part of this whole thing? Like, did you actually understand the role or usage of AI, ML, and all of these things, which are like buzzwords for all the rest?
Absolutely, absolutely. So the one of the USPs that I can call in Watson is the practical exposure that I have gained, to be honest. So it has been very practical, and the subjects also was actually chosen and taught to us based on what was happening in the real world, because there was not a subject that was infused in the curriculum just because for the sake of it. We were carefully we were carefully we actually had options to choose our own subjects, few subjects, like on the majority side, which actually gave us a lot of advantage and also the practical exposure, to be honest. So that is one of the USPs, I think, in this course. And AIML, yes, we also worked, sorry, yeah, so we also actually worked with the computers, with the systems. We also did a lot of things. There was a lot of practicality in the course, to be honest. And I don't think many other universities offers this, uh, because I've also spoken to my friends who have done their MBAs in multiple, across multiple this ones. But I think this is where I got the practical knowledge, and I was really glad about it.
Lovely. That's interesting. So, like you mentioned, you're ready for roles like a prod man and all of these. How about your placements? Because at the end of the day, that's how important it is. And now you're soon graduating. So, how was your
Mhm.
placement experience?
Okay, coming to the placement experience, we should not forget the fact that Watson has been a very new college or a university. It's just been 7 to 8 years. So if you're talking about the growth that it has from the last 7 to 8 years being a new university or a new budding college, I think they're doing an exceptional work by giving out, the 100% of, placements for the students. So what lacks in Watson right now is what people are looking for and what jobs they're getting. The problem is, for instance, I want to get in a job that is specifically that I really want to, and whatever Watson is offering me right now, that is where the gap is there. And right now, we cannot actually blame the university or the institution as well, because there is a lot of skill set gap that the student does not have. Because the student does not have, the college is not able to provide. So I think college is actually doing a very decent job in giving out the job opportunities.
Okay, lovely. And where are you joining in and what role are you going to be taking up?
Okay, so I actually already started working in a company called a Scalar Academy as a senior business development associate. So why I took up this role and why is it so diverse from what I studied is because I actually any day wanted to become an entrepreneur probably in the long term, 5 years. And I think this role actually is going to give me a lot of exposure as to how I can work, and it is going to be teaching me about networking and how to deal with people, and that is why I chose this job.
Okay, that's lovely. That's interesting. So, if you were to give a flashback of the life in the last 2 years, what would be
Mhm.
the high points for you in your 2 years of MBA journey?
Uh, Voxen was a complete, you can call it as a proper mixture of everything, is what I can recall. I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of amazing teachers who were always there. One more thing I actually specifically have to mention is the faculties that we have who have always been there for the student when the student actually tries to, put in efforts. It obviously matters that way because we are doing master's course and we are not studying in the 11th and 12th, right? So when the student actually puts up the effort, the faculty is always there for us. And there was a lot of sports because we were, in a residential campus and we were not allowed to go outside. So Voxen, to be honest, Voxen was the right thing in the right part of my life, to be honest. That's all I can, explain it as. So it was just the right bit of my life in the right time. So yeah.
Okay, that's lovely. That's interesting. Any piece of advice to all the future guys who are joining MBA, maybe Watson or any other B school, like how to make the most of the 2 years of MBA?
For any individual that I've learned the hard way is it does not in India is where it actually colleges matter, and we are very well aware of. So I think the student, irrespective of which college they study, not only Watson or not only Amity or any other college as well, they have to just upskill themselves as much as possible, and that is what is going to give them the long term growth in their career aspect, and not the college that they join and not the role that they're going to be joining from college. So upskilling themselves is one of the most important thing that I think every student or individual has to concentrate on. So that would be one piece of advice.
Okay, that's lovely. That's a really great piece of advice. I'm sure everybody who's listening. And the best part is you have time at your hand also, since you are studying at home, you're working from home, there are no travel constraints. So you can actually look up a lot of online resources and pick up courses and learn all of them.
Yes, absolutely.
Lovely. That's great. So thank you so much, Junaid, and wish you all the best at your new job, new phase of your life, and welcome to the corporate world.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Same to you.